Hello guys, today we're going to build earthquake alarm. Let us see what components we will need. The base cardboard, 2 black cylindrical blocks, 1 buzzer, the small conductive string, the nut attached conductive thread, some normal wire, 2 female to female jumper wire, a battery connector, a 9-volt battery and some double-sided tape. Cut a small piece of double-sided tape and stick one of the black cylindrical block on the base with it. Now take the conductive string and make a loop in the middle by bending it. It should come out like this. Now stick this on top of the cylindrical block with some double-sided tape. Now cut a small piece of normal wire and twist its one end around the conductive string. Now take a medium-sized double-sided tape and stick it on top of the wires. Now stick the other cylindrical block on top of this. If the top cylindrical block is not stable, you can try to stabilize it by inserting another small piece of double-sided tape. It looks good now. Now cut 2 slim pieces of double-sided tape and stick both of them in a straight line on top of the cylindrical block. Now take one female to female jumper wire and stick it on the double-sided tape. Now take the 9-volt battery and connect the battery connector. Stick this on the base of the cardboard with some double-sided tape. Now take the red wire of the connector and connect it to the wire that is coming out of the conductive string. You can simply twist the wires together. Now take the nut attached conductive thread and pass it through the string loop and insert it in the female jack of the wire. Now we are going to stick the buzzer on the base with a small piece of double-sided tape. Now take the jumper wire that is connected with the conductive thread and connect it with the positive terminal of the buzzer. Now take the other female to female jumper wire and connect the negative ends of the battery and the buzzer together. I made this jumper wire into a coil so the wire stays organized. Now our earthquake alarm is ready. Now let's check the output. As you can see, the buzzer plays a sound when this device is shaken, acting like a real earthquake alarm. Thanks for watching.